Healthcare. It's changing, and so are we. Introducing the next generation endoscopy kits from Cardinal Health Presource Products and Services. Using data and insights, Presource provides high-quality kitting solutions that improve your ability to serve patients and your bottom line. Reducing the risk of patient infection and increasing staff safety are just two of the advantages offered when using endoscopy kits in the gastrointestinal suite. The Society of Gastroenterology Nurses and Association has stated that proper reprocessing of endoscopes and accessories is critical to the safe and successful treatment of patients. Any deviation from the reprocessing can lead to the survival of microorganisms and increased risk of infection. Your endo kits can be configured to deliver all of the products needed at the patient's bedside. This promotes practice standardization, efficiency, and lower operational costs. Through a program review, your Cardinal Health sales rep will identify benefits you can experience by kitting your endoscopy procedures. The result? Spend more time with your patients and less time locating and ordering products. Hospital gastrointestinal suites and ambulatory care facilities can choose from our comprehensive selection of standard kits, including setup and scope clean kits for compliance needs, as well as general, lower, or upper endoscopy kits for specific procedures. Available products include the Scope Transport Bag. Features include drawstring ties, a fluid-resistant material, protective padding, and a dual-purpose biohazard used equipment tag. In addition, the bag has been designed for use as a back table cover. The ScopeValet Eco Bedside Kit enables proper scope cleaning immediately after removal of the insertion tube from the patient. For cleaning the exterior of the endoscope, a sponge is pre-filled with enzymatic solution and comes in a wide-mouthed tray with a secure lid to prevent spillage during preparation. The double-ended cleaning brush is used to safely clean inside the endoscope channels. The double-end pull-through design ensures maximum channel cleaning coverage. A unique rounded tip helps prevent damage to the channels, and premium catheter stiffness provides smooth scope passage. Facilities can also create custom kits or order items through distribution, with additional components to choose from. These include a variety of enzymatic cleaning systems and brushes, biopsy valves, a valve cage, bite blocks, lubricant, syringes, IV start kits, suction tubing, and other products that might be required to perform an endoscopic procedure or to reprocess an endoscope. The next generation endoscopy kitting solutions are here today from Cardinal Health Presource Products and Services. To see how your facility can achieve lower costs and greater operational efficiency through using endoscopy kits, contact your Cardinal Health sales representative.